Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is for my socially distant monthly crop for the month of May. And this is all about close to my heart. And here is the challenge. This one is the sketch challenge. And this is the lovely sketch that I found by Laura Whitaker. Everything will be linked down below. So I do follow it pretty much closely to the T. And what I am using here is the new collection that is for the month of May only. And it is called Big Skies. Now, what I am doing is this is the very first monthly crop I've ever done where it is challenges. And what you need to do is that one, you need to be part of the group, which will be linked down below. And it is my Facebook group that is called My Scrappy Life. And then what you need to do as well as there is going to be folders for all 7 of the challenges. And this one is going to be sponsored, and it is sponsored by Spiegel Mom Scraps. For every entry towards this sketch, or towards the sketch challenge, I should say, you have a chance to win the $10 shop credit to Spiegel Mom Scraps. You guys know that I use tons and tons of sequence mixes from Spiegel Mom Scraps. You guys know that I love her stuff, and I absolutely love everything about it. I always use her sequence mixes, and plus I was part of her design team. So this collection here is the scrapbooking, one of the scrapbooking collections that you can get for the month of May, and from Close to My Heart. All of my links will be down below as well for this. This is for National Scrapbooking month. This is the kit that they are giving out just for the month of May, and you can purchase it. Now, every entry that you do in the challenges, which I have 7, you automatically get to be put into the big drawing, and the big drawing is the $80 value of this kit. It comes with all of the stamps. It comes with everything, and I will link it down below for you so that you can take a look at it. Now, I will tell you this, that if you are international, I will have to work with you on the international side of this. However, if you do decide to join my monthly crop, go ahead and put in the link down below. Make sure that you do join mine, and I do have tons of different sponsors for all of my challenges, and this is one of them. Now, what I am planning on doing is that for the first 7 days of the month of May, I am going to release a video of using Close to My Heart products and the challenges. So this is for day 1. It's the sketch challenge. Like I said, it's from Laura Whitaker. I will link the Pinterest pin down below. And I am using the Big Skies collection. And I absolutely love this. So now, here I am cutting everything up. I do follow it to the T. And this is where you will see me do 2 inches by 2 inches in so that it is in correctly. I did an 8 by 8 square along with a bunch of other papers and whatnot that you see in there. And I do follow it. I just add a little bit more pizzazz to it, I guess. I went in and found some sequins from my stash from Close to My Heart. They are Close to My Heart. They're just no longer available, so that's why I'm saying that it is in my stash. And here I'm placing down all of these little bits of papers that Laura Whitaker had in her sketch. And I love how this turns out. It is so simple, but yet it's so me yet too. And the photos are of my daughter and her, my good friend and her second mother, Dee Dee's 2 kiddos. She took and treated them to ice cream, I think in the month of January when it was a lot warmer. I don't know, sometime. Who knows? But these are her 2 boys and then my daughter. And let me tell you, these guys have definitely a love-hate relationship. They love each other to hate each other to love each other again. And this particular time, they actually were doing really, really well for Dee Dee. And she took them out for ice cream. So, and I am telling you, this is definitely my daughter's second mom. I swear. Those two, she just spoils her rotten. And it's kind of like, because she's got 3 boys, Kaylin's like her only girl. And so that's why she gets all of the unicorns and all of just everything. And she absolutely loves going over to her house. She is, Dee Dee is the one that actually watches my daughter as well during school. Obviously, y'all know that there is no school right now. So we have been social distancing ourselves just from everything. Because, you know, that's what we are supposed to be doing. And when I put this up onto my channel, I am doing this pretty much a whole month in advance. So at this point of when I was doing this layout, we were not able to see any of them because we were shelter in place. Now, our shelter in place at that particular time was until the end of the month of April. So I don't know what we'll bring into the month of May, because we don't know yet. It hasn't been extended or any of that. We just know that there is no school right now, and you know, until the end of the school year. And you know, we're just plugging away. My husband is still at home, as well as, you know, I'm at home, you know, crazy trying to duel it and everything. So yeah, I loved that I was doing this. I thought it was a great title. I know it's, you know, kind of a pun intended, but I think it works out well. I love the title. I hope that you guys enjoy the next 7 days with all of my sketches and my challenges and all of that kind of stuff for the social distance monthly crop. I will make sure that I link everything down below in the video, along with the big group, and then obviously Spiegel Mom Scraps shop. Remember, she is sponsoring this. She is sponsoring this challenge in the group, along with in the. I should say also within the video as well, obviously, for this crop for the month. And let's see here. I did use, my title is going to be Fun Times. And let me tell you, the cool thing about Close to My Heart stickers now, they are holographic. Like that Fun Times has a holographic style to it. So when you, when I show it or you look at it, it's got a glare to it, and it's subtle, but it's perfect. I absolutely love it. And you'll see it in the still shots. Obviously, the still shots are definitely coming up. You guys know that I have everything linked down below for everything. And here I am. I'm pulling out of my stash. Now, remember, when you're looking at all of these are no longer available. They're just stickers, or they're sequins. And the one thing I love about Close to My Heart sequence mixes is that they come like this, and they're already glued and ready to go. So all you got to do is take them off, and it's boom, done. So it works out perfect. But I do journal off camera, as well as I do a doodly board at the bottom, along with adding splatters, which is what I'm getting out now. So I do take the Close to My Heart. You can squeeze the new Close to My Heart ink pad, squeeze it, and it puts some of the ink there. And here I am. That's how I'm splattering my black. I am completely fine that it is very dull. And that's fine, because I wanted it to stick out, but not too much. And then I just add a couple of the big splatters. Now you will see me do up my journaling. I do the journaling I start in black, but then I do white for the journaling, because I think it's perfect for you to be able to see it. Because where I do decide to place it, that blue tag that I have there that I made, or that banner that I made, it's a little dark, and the black doesn't quite show up like I want it to. So here I am. I'm just doing on my doodling border, and I'm putting X's in the corners just to add a little bit of something to it. And black cardstock is also. So everything that I have linked down here is my is part of my Close to My Heart. So I hope that you enjoy this. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I hope that everybody is staying safe, and I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!